welcome back to GDC, and today I'm going to be showing you a Python tutorial on how to use while loops. Now while loops can be used a lot in Python, so I'm going to be showing you how. So let's start. Today we're going to be learning about while loops. Now while loops are just a set of, it's a loop. Okay, now loops repeat things. Now what a while loop is that a while loop will repeat something as long as it's true. Now, if the condition is true, it will continue to repeat it. If the condition turns false, what will happen? It will stop that loop. Not like for loops that will repeat on forever that you can put. And by the way, we will be learning for loops. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to write a little code. And we're going to make this code print the numbers 1 to 100. As you can see, I have the numbers 1 to 100 written over here. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make this code. So, just let's clear that. And we're going to now write number and make a variable and call this 1. Now, number equals 1. Okay? Now, we're going to make a while loop. Now, while, I'm going to write while number is less than or equal to 100, we will print the number and make sure the number adds 1. Now, what I mean by this is that if the number is less than or equal to 100, it should do whatever is in the loop. But if it isn't, then it should stop the loop. Okay? So now, what we're going to do is we're going to get print number. Now, variables, remember, they have no quotation marks. If we put a quotation mark on the number, it's going to just print out number like that. You see that? And we don't want that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to write a number equals, so number equals number plus 1. Now what's going to happen is now it's going to increase the number always by 1. And now the value of the variable will now change to make it go up to 100. So now, if I run it, oh, sorry, I have to remove the quotation marks. Remember, quotation marks, variable never have quotation marks. As you can see, if I clear this, as you can see, it will now print numbers 1 to 100. And yeah, that's how you use a while loop. Now, we're going to make a little quiz-ish thing. So what we're just going to add this in hashtag. And because this, what hashtag does, it basically makes it a comment. And what a comment does, it doesn't run that code. So we just have it there in case we want to use it or to explain stuff. Anyway, what we're going to do now is we're going to now make a little thing where you have to guess, suppose, someone's favorite game. So now let's make a variable, game, and let's make it equal to Minecraft, random game. Okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to guess. Now the guess variable is equal to what the user puts in. So let's say it is equal, so you have to make it equal to the input of the user, and the question will be, guess what is my favorite game. Now we're gonna put a colon, and now we're just gonna enter. And now this is where the while loop comes in. So while the guess is basically not equal to game, the Minecraft, what we will have to do, we'll keep on saying input, guess input incorrect, try again, guess what my favorite game is. And we're gonna get print, and if they guess, it'll get print, congratulations, you guessed my favorite game. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna write guess. While guess is not equal. Remember that? Not equal. That's how you write a not equal. Instead of writing it like this, we're gonna write it with an exclamation mark and an equal. That's how you write it in Python. Anyway, not equal to game. We're gonna put a colon. We're gonna write guess equals input. So now what we're gonna do is like incorrect, try again, and then it's gonna like you have to write again. So now I'm gonna write incorrect, try again. Incorrect, try again. And now we're just going to, now I want you to look at this carefully, and I'll be showing you what it actually does in a second. So I'm gonna put a slash to the left side and do another slash and guess what my favorite what is my favorite game. Okay, now I'm going to just do print. Now if it doesn't work, it's just going to skip to this code and it's going to say print congratulations, you guessed my favorite game. So then it just stops the code. So now let's clear this code. Now let's run it. Guess what my favorite game is. I'm going to just put a random game. So let's say Among Us. Incorrect. Try again. Now I want you to look closely. There's a gap over here. Okay, as you can see. Just a gap. Now, where in this code did we add a gap? Now I'm going to show you what this this little code that we put was the N. I said we would explain it later. This N makes it put an enter. So if we didn't put this N, what would happen is that it would have written it in the same line, which is okay. But we wanted to make it a bit more professional. So we would put it with an enter to make it look like it's a different question. So now let's put it again. I'm going to write another game. Let's say incorrect, try again, and then let's write Minecraft now. Congratulations, you guessed my favorite game. So it automatically skips to this code if that if the function is wrong. If the function is correct, sorry. So if that becomes false, it skips to this code. Okay? So yeah, I want to explain one more thing actually. We can make this same code with an if and else and elif. And I'm going to show you how. So let's just put this all in again. Hash. Actually, we won't put this in hash. Let's put this with a hashtag. 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 Why is it not putting it there yet? Hashtag. Hashtag. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do if game not, let's say not equal to guess. Oh yeah, and we have to respond to that. If guess not equal to game, colon, I'm gonna guess the guess equal to input incorrect, try again. Then we'll put our slash and guess what is my favorite game. And yeah, so now it will do that, and then what we'll do is we'll get an else. Let's just copy this. Print, congratulations, you guessed my favorite game. Now, as you can see, if I run this, it's going to do the exact same thing. What is my favorite game? Let's say Among Us. Among Us. Keyboard's not working that well today. Among Us. Incorrect. Try again. Guess what's my favorite game? Now let's put Minecraft. And it should work. And if it's Minecraft, it will print, congratulations, you've guessed my favorite game. Or what we could do, instead of else, we could do if guess equal to game, it would do. So if we game. Well, yeah, normally it should work, but basically, as you can see, it's just so much easier with a while loop, because while loops, they don't have so many conditions like if and else do. So if you want it to just make a short code which just checks if it's right or wrong, false or true, it would do that. So again, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.